Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about a fun thing called alliteration. Let's get started. A. Angry ant on an apple. B. Blue bird baking bread. C. Cute cat cooking cabbage. D. Darling dolphin diving deep. E. Elephant enjoying earphone. F. Fat frog using fork. G. Giant giraffe good at games. H. Hungry horse hogging hamburger. I. Insects are in for ice cream. J. Jumpy jackal in jeans and jacket. K. Kinky kitchen keeps kettle in the kitchen. L. Little lamb licking lollipop. M. Moody monkey moving on motorcycle. N. Nutty newborn nibbles noodles. O. Owl offering omelette to ostrich. P. Pretty penguin playing piano. Q. Quack quack in a queue. R. Royal rabbit riding a rhinoceros. S. Shark sipping shake at seashore. T. Tiger taking ticket to travel. U. Uniformed unicorn under umbrella. V. Vulture viewing video. W. Wolf went on a wet walk. X. Zim plays xylophone on Christmas. Y. Yogurt tastes yum yum to yog. Z. Zebra got 0 in zoology. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.